Hello my esteemed viewers, welcome back to my channel. Yesterday I showed you a new profitable website that you can be able to claim fund from the comfort of your bedroom just with your smartphone and with an internet connection. So let me quickly go into that. It is called Hetzbank. Hetzbank. For some of you people that saw my video yesterday, it is called Hetzbank. I showed how to create the account and register on that very channel, on that very website. If you have not seen that, you can just search for me on the tutorials. Hetzbank. It's tutorial Hetzbank. You can see this is a video I dropped yesterday. If you just register, it will take your time. So today I'll be showing you how you can withdraw your daily income from this very website. So let's quickly go to the website. Navigate yourself to your Chrome. So if you come to the website, all you need to do is just go to bank information. If you just check into the bank information, you fill in your name, select your banks, and click submit. Then you go back. So my investment return today is 1,110 naira, and there was a referral bonus that was given to me, a registration bonus that was given to me yesterday, which is 700 naira. So 700 naira plus 1,110 naira, it will give you what? 1,810 naira. So what we are going to do now is to withdraw. Okay, I'll click on withdraw now. So I'll click on withdraw now. Processing time 7247. Minimum withdrawal is 1,000. Arrival time within 5 minutes. Okay, let's quickly try that and see. I'm going to try to remove. I want to take it all. 1,000. Let me just take 1,800. Okay, and I will say okay, withdraw now. Okay, you see, I've been told processing amount processing is 1,800 naira. Let me see the processing. You can now see it's currently processing here. So the 1,800 naira that I just typed for withdrawal is currently processing here. So make sure you fix in your particular information, your complete information, so that your money will not lost. So it's currently processing. As you can see here, the money have been deducted from my balance. So my balance that's left here now is 10 naira, and 1,800 naira is on process to enter my account. So this platform, this website is legit. It's legit. Yesterday when I was dropping this video, I said okay, let me stop there, and when anything changes, when my account has been funded, then I'll come out to show you the live stuff, how it really works. This is legit. There's nothing like scam here. So let's wait a little, and you'll be notified the moment the money drops in my account. So while waiting for that, you can check on all these. Anyone you can choose to sign up on, anyone you can choose to buy. You can buy and start earning your profit now. So if you subscribe, if you register today, by 12 noon tomorrow, you'll be able to get your money. So this is new, it's fresh. Start now and enjoy your money from the comfort of your home. So let's wait for the arrival of this money. This is my that I did. That was a success one. I paid the price of 10,000 naira. Now my serving time 1/19. This exhausts all this exhausts in 90 days. You see this? You receive this daily income at 12 noon every day. If you purchase the product after 12 p.m., then your first daily income will arrive on the next day at 12 p.m. So this is me. Yeah, it's still processing. Still processing. Don't forget, when you go to me, after registration, you go to me. So you go to my bank info. In this my bank info, make sure you fix in your proper informations and click submit. So one of the most interesting thing about this website again is that there is a referrals program. So this referrals program now allows you to earn money whenever you share this wonderful story with your friend and everyone. So on this I'll be leaving my own referral links on the comment section, so that you can use that and sign up and we'll both get a bonus. Okay, so you can see a brief right up here. Let's take a look at it together. Money sitting idle, move it to Hetzbank and give it a chance to earn huge investment return. Just sign up. In investment return, sign up bonus is 700 naira in cash, 1000 product in order, or refer to earn 15% plus 7% plus 3% of 3 levels. So whosoever you refer now, whatsoever that person's earn and the person that the person refers earn, you will still earn from it. Okay, so there's a great chance you cannot afford to miss. So please start it now and start earning your money. Don't forget to use my referral link, please. So we'll continue this video when this money drop. Okay, so the money has just dropped. If you look at this place now, amount has arrived. The other time this place was processing, but now it has arrived. And if you look at this very place on this dashboard, you see withdrawn balance 1,800 and my withdrawable balance now is 10 naira, of which I will have to wait until tomorrow by 12 noon. Another money will drop, then I will withdraw again. So let me show you the proof. I just screen it short. Then you can see the proof from Brick Smart Nigerian Concept. So the credit amount here is 1,800 naira. And I was having 5 naira before in my account, so the balance now is 1,805 naira. So I advise you to quickly jump into this opportunity and start earning your own money from the comfort. Start earning your own money from the comforts of your bedroom. If you have any comment, please leave it below. If you are just joining us and you have not subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and also give it a like, so that whenever I drop any video concerning anything at all that will be able to anything at all that will be useful to you, it will get to you immediately. Thank you so much for staying with me, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.